Penang Family Channel. Hi friends, vanga vanga Penang Family Channel ku vanga. Please like, share and subscribe. Okay friends, today's video is actually flaxseed chapati. Flaxseed is very good for health. It's full of fiber. Okay, how to make this? You can watch the video. But before that, flaxseed. I use flaxseed. I didn't buy the flaxseed flour. I blend the flaxseed. I use half cup of flaxseed, and then I blend it using dryer blender. Okay, and then just add into the chapati flour. Okay, come let me show how to make the flaxseed chapati. Friends, it will be very soft. In fact, it will be softer than the usual chapati because I think flaxseed, if you don't over blend the flaxseed because it will become oily, and because flaxseed is where you can also, there is also flaxseed oil if I'm not mistaken, so don't make it don't blend it too much, so it will become oily. So okay, come friends, let's see how to make. Thank you so much.
Let's go.
So this is flaxseed, friends, also known as linseed, and in Tamil it's alli vidai. Okay, come I show how to make the flaxseed chapati now. Okay, in a dryer blender, I take about half cup of flaxseed. Okay, don't buy the flour, and then this is easy. So you just put in the dryer blender and blend it dry, so the texture will be like this. And also don't over blend because it will become oily. Okay, now we're going to add this into the usual chapati flour, chapati measurements. So about 4 cups of chapati flour and half cup of wheat flour and flaxseed flour that we blended just now. Okay, now the rest are salt, and here I use coconut oil. You can use any type of oil, and give it a quick mix. Okay friends, this flaxseed chapati is actually good. In fact, as what I said just now, it will be softer. Okay, now I'm going to make a nice keni and goes in the hot water. Okay friends, make sure don't use your hand, it's hot. Okay, use a spatula. Okay, first you slowly mix like this. Okay, so you will get a texture like this. So after a while you can start using your hands. Okay, it is still a bit warm. Okay. I knead and you can see now the dough is taking place. Okay, so final I'll add some more oil. Okay, coconut oil again. Okay, then I always don't miss this step because this will make the flour smooth, and also it will stop sticking to your hand. You don't have to knead the flour too long. Okay, cover, and we're going to make. Okay, now I portion it into small round balls like this and start making the chapati. See, it's very smooth, the usual how you make the chapati. Okay, goes on the hot chapati tawa. Okay, also I'm going to add oil. If you're health conscious, friends, you don't have to use, you can omit this step. Okay, because I use here virgin coconut oil, it's actually good, so I make sure I don't overcook the oil as well. So just just spread on top, and the chapati is ready. Okay, here I'm going to show another variation that we always have chapati, egg chapati. Okay, beat one egg and then just pour it on top the chapati, but make sure you already cooked the chapati. Okay, and then just spread the egg like this, and after about 1 minute time the egg cooks fast, and you can turn, and voila, the egg flaxseed chapati is ready.